Utorrent deleted itself. Actually, why it's happening? Because popular BitTorrent client, the Utorrent, is again being flagged as problematic by antivirus vendors. This includes Microsoft Windows Defenders, which simply removes the applications from the operating system. According to reports, the software is categorized as riskware, malware, and potentially unwanted software. So open the Windows Explorer, Windows Security, then virus and threat protection. Okay, this is the solution one. Follow this, and then find here virus and threat protection settings. Now scroll down and find here the exclusion, and then click on the add option. Okay, after clicking on here, now you can see here the options. You can add file, folder, or whatever you want. It will this is the option, guys, actually, where antivirus will not be like scan and deleting files from selected folder in exclusion. I hope, guys, this method will solve your issue. If it's not solve your issue, just comment below and please hit the subscribe button. Have a good day. Bye bye.